Hello guys, hope you all are okay. These birds I rescued today, and someone says it's hit by a bus on the road, but can't see any injury, any blood, nothing. I tried to free these birds in my garden, but it's not going anywhere, and then I rescued it again. It's not flying. This is second birds I rescued. One is green parrot, and I think it's lost birds, and I called the police for any reports of missing birds, parrots, pets, and they said no, we don't have any reports. And then I goes to the nearest pet shop I used to go many times. So I asked them, and they said we don't know. Then I bought sunflower seeds and some mixed diet seeds for that parrots. And parrots is very friendly, and I want to give that parrots back to the owner. I mean, reunite them. And this is look wild birds. The parrot has a ring in his feet. I don't know about the parrot is male or female. If anyone know the nearest area, Bradford, if anyone knows about missing parrots, then they can contact me through my channel, through my Facebook page. So I'm trying my best. I will keep these birds. I will try to keep it for until it goes to fly, goes well. At the moment, this bird looks very sad. Sometimes he's closing his eyes. I don't know if it's male or female. But if you recognize these birds, the name, you can comments and you can tell me about the bird's name. I bought food, seeds, mixed seeds for these birds, and if can go, if can fly, then I will let it go. But at the moment I'm thinking any cat will kill these birds. So let's free him if can go fly. It's not going anywhere, it's just walking in the garden, but it's not flying. He's just hiding himself behind the pots and hidden places. So beautiful birds. He's gone again, hiding himself behind the bricks. I will watch him closely. Then I will kept him again. Okay guys, so tell me about the parrots in the comment section, and I will try to reunite that birds because it has ring. So see you all with the next video, and bye bye for now.